Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am explaining nail decals are tiny stickers that can you easily apply to your nails. Using a pair of tweezers, they come in all sorts of designs such as flowers, stars, hearts and materials like rhinestones. Several designs come on a single transfer sheet. If you are applying rhinestones, gently press the decal onto your nail before your nail polish dries, then seal it all with a top coat once the polish is dry. For a regular decal, apply it to your nail after your nail polish has dried and apply a top coat over the design. While not all of the nail art design required nail decals, you can apply a few stickers to your nails to add your own touch and really make your favorite design pop. And especially I am teaching about the acrylic paint. Acrylic paint has been used for by manicurists and nail technicians for years. Since acrylic paint can be mixed to create a variety of different colors, it is cheaper alternative to using nail polish and can help you add details without having to own a vast nail polish collection. It is also a great beginner's tool because it can easily be wiped away if a mistake is made before it dries. When using acrylic paint, you should always apply a base coat and nail color first, since the paint should only be used to add details and will not provide the lustrous colors of a nail polish. Hopefully you enjoy my video, and if you like my video, please share my video with your friends, family member and other family member. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.